Good morning, everybody. Smyrna Cowboy here. How y'all doing today? Today is May the 2nd, 2024 at 9:08 in the morning. Temperature is around 65 degrees, 65, 68, something like that. Mileage on Miss Ellie and today is 8258, 8,258 miles. And this morning, it's a beautiful morning here. Like I say, the temperature is about 68, 65, 68 degrees. Supposed to get up to mid 80s, I think. Gonna do a little vlog, a little bit different today. Well, let me tell you what's happening. Let's see. I'm not sure how many days till VAM I got left. I'll put the numbers right here from the time of this video. Hopefully I'll be able to go to that. Me and Trimark MC, we're going to go for a little ride this afternoon. He's going to meet me at my house about 11. We're going to go for get a little lunch and go for a little ride. Well, tell you what I'm doing this morning. Me and Mrs. Cowboy, we went fishing last week, I think it was. And they didn't have any crickets yet because they don't sell crickets till around the first part of May to make sure that all the frost is. Oop, here it is. Almost ran over it. And in May, so we got some night crawlers. Did a little fishing. So I still got some of those little suckers left. So I've got a little telescopic rod and reel just for I can put on the scoop and the spider now and do a little fishing. So I'm going to take the GoPro 10 and we're going to try some test footage with that. And see how that's going to turn out. So we're here at Sharp Springs Recreation Park, and they have a little pond back here. You'll see it here in a minute. Whoop, speed bump. Oopsie doodle. You see they have baseball fields and softball fields out here, and they got soccer fields down here for recreation. Gotta watch these speed bumps. You don't see them till you almost come up on them. They need to paint them a brighter yellow. Yeah, they've got all this land out here for soccer and football. They also have a frisbee golf course. I think me and Steve's Rocket Adventures was out here one day when Steve-O was on vacation, or it might have been a Saturday, I don't remember. And we buzzed around here a little bit. It's a pretty dog. Pretty dog. You can park on this side, but you can't park on that one because that's a squirrel. Really? It's got big open fields and all that good stuff. The last time I was down here, they was putting up another shelter. I think that was last year. So let's see if they've completed that. Nice, dark and wooded area. Oh, they put a playground out here. Oh, okay. Well, that's nice. Very nice. Put a parking lot and a playground. That looks somebody's down here at the fishing hole. I may have to do a double take. And I see this one camping. No, there's nobody there. So let's just go to the, let's go up here and make a loop and come back around. There's a bike trail up there. Huh, cool. That's neat. You want to ride your mountain bike? Pretty neat. Oh, that guy's gone. Oh well. Guess I know where I can park. There's a little pond right there. This'll work. This is just a little Shakespeare telescoping rods, and got some hooks and bobber stops and such as that, and some night crawlers. So we'll cut it off on this camera and then use the GoPro. So stay tuned. Let's go down here, shall we? It's all flopping. Hopefully these night crawlers are still nice little pond. Of course it helps if you don't fall. Oh, shit. Oh, damn it. Yeah, it helps if you don't fall. Oh. Well, this sucks. Hopefully I didn't sprain my ankle. Ow.